Guys, honestly, this could be my hair. I could pull it off because the texture is spot on. So my hair has been washed, blow dried and flat ironed. I never press my hair on super high heat because I don't want it bone straight, and it came out beautifully. It's got so much movement. It's so light. It's so fluffy. I absolutely love it. I could wear my hair like this a lot more, but you know, heat damage is a real thing, so I can't afford to do that. But yeah, since I've been rocking the U part and it's straight, this is what I needed to do to my hair. Okay, so here's the U part that I'll be using, and I made this myself. I actually had some clip-ins that I wasn't really using, so I decided to take all the clips off the clip-ins and sew it onto the cap and make a U part, because I will use a U part a lot more. Before I started wearing, you know, full wigs, you know, with closures and frontals, I was rocking U part wigs with my relaxed hair. Those of you who know. So yeah, this is the U part. The texture is a blown out texture, and then at the back I've just got some kinky straight. So it's a little bit more crimped at the back, but you can't see it. But to blend with my hair, I used the blowout texture on the top because it's seamless when I add it to my natural hair. Okay, so to begin, I'm just going to section off some hair, and I'm going to section it all the way from the side like that, and all the way across to the other side. So, because I'm going to use all this hair to cover the U part, and some of it will be used to wrap around the high ponytail. Alright, so this should be enough. I might just take a little bit more on the sides. Okay, so I'm just going to clip this like that. Now the rest of the hair, because it is straightened, I can afford to tie it up or just twist it. I'm just going to put a stocking cap on at the back just to keep everything in place. And it probably won't stay on because it's too far back. Alright, so with the U part, I've got 3 clips here and then 2 on the sides. I should sew more on, but I haven't had time. And I'm simply going to clip it like this. 1, 2, and 3. Then on the side, I'm gonna just clip it down. It's not snug because it's supposed to sit up a lot high, but you won't see what's going on at the back because of all the hair that's covering it. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the U part along with the hair that I've left out. And it really is all about positioning and placement so you hide everything and you can't see anything. And then you can see how much of the U part you have. You can decide how thick you want it. I don't want it too thick. So I'm just grabbing a little bit of hair. Okay, so you want to make sure it's nice and smooth. And for placement, you want it fairly high up, sitting on top of your head. And then just go around with your hair tie and make sure it is nice and tight. Like this. Alright, now with these bits here, You just want to brush everything in place, and you can use a bobby pin just to make sure everything is lying or laying flat. So that's what I'm going to do. And a little bit of hair on this side. Alright, so now all you got to do is separate your hair from the extensions like this. And then you're simply going to wrap your hair around the ponytail. And then just put a bobby pin and secure it. You can always have more hair up top if you want. It's entirely up to what you like. And then lastly, you can use whatever edge control you like and just slick down your edges. I'm just going to use a bit of the Blasting Freeze spray because I'm not too concerned about slicking down my edges because my edges are not set up like that. But just to make it, you know, a little bit neat, I'm just going to brush it into the rest of my hair. Also, I don't like product on my edges. I hate that feeling. Make sure everything blends. And that's it, guys. Honestly, this could be my hair. I could pull it off because the texture is spot on. You know, it's pulled up out of my face. I love when my hair is pulled back. Everything blends seamlessly. It's a nice break from wearing the wigs and, you know, covering everything up. You know, it's nice to let your hair breathe every once in a while. And I love wearing my hair straight as well. So yeah, I love it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you try this hairstyle. Let me know if you like this type of hairstyle. Let me know if you wear U-parts, if you've tried a U-part before. Yeah, let's talk down below as always. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!